Hello and welcome to the PayRules app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename payment methods using PayRules. In this video, we will show how to hide cash on delivery, COD, if specific variants are in the cart in Shopify. Let's open the PayRules app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the variant titles condition. So first, we'll search for variant titles in the search bar and select it. Click Select Elite 1 combination to continue. After adding the variance titles, you'll see a drop-down with several options. Exact match, partial match, starts with, ends with. Exact match. Hide if the variance titles exactly matches what you entered. Partial match. Hide if the variance titles contains the entered titles anywhere in it. Starts with, hide if the variance titles begins with the entered titles. Ends with, hide if the variance titles ends with the entered titles. For this example, we choose if found and select the partial match, then enter the variant titles beige. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Now, set a name for the rule. Finally, go to Add Payment Method and add the payment method you want to hide. For example, we will add cash on delivery. If you don't see your payment method in this list, simply write the payment name manually like Alipay and click on Add Alipay option. This means cash on delivery and Alipay will be hidden whenever the wooden spin beige variant is added to the cart. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, cash on delivery and Alipay are visible because the wooden spin beige variant is not in the cart. Now let's add the wooden spin beige and check again. As you can see, the cash on delivery and Alipay are hidden now. That's it. This is how you can hide payment methods for specific variants. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!